Nowadays, Made in China has drawn worldwide attention because of continuous innovation and breakthroughs with science and technology in China. Hangcha Group is following a path such that we will not cease to challenge technical barriers, forge the image of China with high-quality forklifts wholeheartedly, and display a new and better style of Made in China. Hangcha Group, to be the best in forklift manufacturing. From manual operation to intelligent operation in a startup to the world's top 9, Hangcha Group has embarked on the road of deep exploration in the past 60 years and also on the road of bold advances for national brands to become the world's best brand. The logistics industry marks the development degree of the world economy. Successful listing of Hangcha Group, one of the world's largest professional forklift R&D and manufacturing groups, enables the people of Hangcha to embark on a future of intelligent growth with brand new perspective and view, and to devote to the building of the group into the world's top intelligent and integrated logistics solutions provider. Hangcha Group's industrial manufacturing global headquarters covers a total area of over 212 acres and has a registered capital of RMB 619 million, with operation revenue ranking the 9th in the world. The group owns 75 holding and joint stock subsidiaries, 52 sales subsidiaries in China, and 1 sales subsidiary each in the United States, Europe, and Southeast Asia. The group collaborates with more than 500 distributors from around the world to build up a service network for the Hangcha brand, and sells products across over 150 countries and regions, such as North America, South America, Southeast Asia. Over 3,000 employees pooled their efforts together, driving the product sales in 2017 to exceed 100,000, and our exports have ranked in first place in the industry for 10 consecutive years. As the national high and new technology enterprise, Hangcha continues to achieve advances in science and technology. A series of honors witness of the brand footprint of the innovative development of the people of Hangcha. With the leading of the development of industrial technology as its tenant, the group constructs the most advanced R&D and innovation platform. It owns a nationally accredited Enterprise Technology Center, a nationally recognized lab, an academicians and experts workstation, a postdoctoral scientific research workstation, and other technical innovation carriers. In face of the significant rise in human labor costs, machines replacing humans will be an important strategy for the future development of the manufacturing industry. Zhejiang Intelligent Industrial Vehicle Research Institute, arranged and established by the group, is dedicated to the research of pilotless forklifts and the research of intelligent logistical systems with future values. Hangcha Cloud Intelligent Forklift Management System has been awarded to the title of Top 10 Enterprise Information-Based Innovation Project of Zhejiang and drives the transformation and upgrading of products. Independently developed AGV core technology creates an AGV series of products with unique characteristics. Nowadays, Hangcha Group has established rich and diversified product systems covering more than 5,000 types and 10,000 specifications. It owns a product system with whole series and multi-varieties, including the 148T diesel forklift, 116T electric forklift, front container crane and forklift, tractor, electric warehouse vehicle, auto-oriented vehicle, and intelligent logistics system. The self-developed new products have won several awards for scientific and technological advancement from national ministries and commissions. Zhejiang and Hangzhou. The newly launched X-Series diesel forklift causes the industry to see the future value of intelligent logistics with its three uniqueness. The products, based on AGV Intelligent Logistics System, have been widely applied to multiple industries such as automobile, logistics, rubber, PV, and pharmaceuticals. And the group has become the provider of integrated intelligent logistics solutions for brand enterprises including BMW, Beacon Pharmaceuticals, Seraphim, and so forth. More partners will share the innovative result achievements made by Hangcha with intelligent technologies. The Belt and Road brings Chinese scheme to the world economy, and Hangcha Group is working on an intelligent link in this scheme to make handling easier. The year 2017 witnessed the completion of the intelligent manufacturing base of Hangcha Group, covering an area of over 40 acres in Lin'an Hengfan Industrial Park in 2017. For automatic welding, automatic coating, automatic assembly, and automatic logistics. Hangcha Digital Intelligent Factory, which is built using the Internet of Things and mobile internet, has refreshed the industry's imagination once again. An ambitious idea has been conceived. Hangcha Group's goal is to sell 200,000 forklifts annually in the next 5 years and increase RMB to $15 billion of sales revenue and make Hangcha become a world-class brand. Hangcha Group will make great efforts, continue to uphold development strategies of specialized production, brand management, group-based operation, and international integration. And we will focus on the development of heavy-duty forklifts, new energy forklifts, storage facilities, intelligent industrial vehicles, and intelligent logistics solutions, and improve value-added service capacity of products, and extend the industrial value chain. Under the concepts of the deep development of Industry 4.0 and Made in China 2025, Hangcha Group will continually promote technical innovation to be the best forklift manufacturer, produce better forklifts for consumers, and to realize and improve the values and standards for society for greater purposes. Hangcha, making handling easier.